Okay, so our 20% project was to create like DIY projects and try to do as many as we could. So yeah, our project, yeah, was to make all that. I already said that. So our first project we made was to build the coolest paper airplanes we could online. Start off easy. Yeah, a little airplane, and then we also learned. Yeah, there's the little product that Ethan made. We also learned how to make some pretty cool origami. And our second project was to build a portable charger, and I learned about engineering and testing with electricity. Like the charger, it had a 9-volt battery with a little car charger I took apart, and Mr. T helped us with that. It actually worked. It charged my phone in about an hour. So our third project was to make a catapult out of only supplies you can find at school. I tried to make that, but it didn't. It failed. And then I made a little tissue box one that failed too. So yeah.
For our fourth project, we did a contest to see who could make the coolest thing.
Yeah, no, I didn't. But I made I took apart my broken speaker and I fixed it partially. It kind of works, but it's kind of like you can barely hear it. It's not very loud at all. But Ethan, what'd you make?
I made a siege tower.
Questions?
So the speaker that you took apart, you were trying to make into a speaker?
Yeah, just make it. Like I took apart actually 3 of them, and then used the main one that was broken to fix it up. So, and it's kind of works. I'll bring it in. But
Could you tell us more about your siege tower, what that is exactly?
Okay. Siege tower is like a medieval thing, and like a tower they made, and well, I made it and stuff, and so it would like roll and it would go up to the castle wall, and it would open the doors, so a bunch of people, or they attack the people, could go out in the castle.
yeah, yeah. Somebody took our soldiers, so we couldn't really demonstrate. Yes, Jay Brownie.
Wait, so when you said that the charger charged your phone in an hour, was it dead?
Yeah, it was completely dead, and then I ran a time thing. So yeah.
So the car charger you said you took apart, what component from the car charger did you use?
The actual port and the the actual inside of it.
So it was a USB port?
Yeah. And then we took gator cables and connected it to like the little prongs that push into the carport, and it works. Mr. T helped a lot with that.
And then the battery you said was the 9-volt battery?
Yeah, 9-volt. And then we used yeah, snap connectors too. We've had a lot of fun with this project, but I mean, we haven't really made as much as I hoped. We hoped to. I mean, there was, I think we learned a lot more than from researching and learning all about like stuff like do-it-yourself projects and stuff. But yeah, then making them. I mean, it's probably better to learn from hands-on, but I mean, learning is still learning. And we learned a lot about, I learned a lot about electricity and like wiring and stuff like that. It was pretty interesting.
Okay, so our major problems was we couldn't get the materials because we didn't really have funding.
Yeah.
We couldn't go to the store.
And then trying to find a project to make that was really in our learning capability, I should say. And a problem, if you didn't know this, is a matter of situation regarded as unwelcome or harmful and needing to be dealt with and overcome. It's a noun, by the way. we didn't know what to decide on for our 20% project, so
We
it's a
decided to decide to go on everything.
yeah. We also learned how to make, like, mess around with Microsoft Paint and stuff. Yeah, what a wizard. No, we're actually gonna do an activity with you guys. How to make a little, fortune teller. Right?
Oh, my.
Do I pause it?
Here, I'll pass it.